Everybody keeps saying buy gold, buy silver, buy gold, buy silver because of the ongoing war in the USA. But the thing they are not telling you or they are not talking about is where am I going to buy gold from and where are you going to buy silver from? Last week, a lot of people got stopped out and a lot of traders lost money because they all had this idea of buy gold, buy silver. But they don't know exactly where they are supposed to buy gold from or buy silver. So let me quickly explain how I traded last week and how I'm expecting to trade this upcoming week. Today is Sunday, approximately 10:18 in the evening, 10 p.m. in the evening. So let me quickly show you what happened last week and what I'm hoping to see in the financial market this week as we're entering. See, stay with me in this video if you are hoping to trade silver or gold. I'm new to silver market, so I've been trading gold for a while. So let me use silver for an example. This is the 4 hours time frame right here. So you can boldly see the 4 hours time frame. You can see we had lower low, higher high, and we had this change of character to the downside. Our 4 hours change of character. Price came down and broke this low here, giving us a change of character. So the moment price gave this change of character, what happened next? We all know when price breaks a structure or it changes character, price is going to pull back up. You understand? So the price came up a little bit. If you can see, gave us this inducement. Price gave us this inducement at this point here. After price gave us this inducement here, price tagged into the breaker block as you can see right here. This breaker block right here. Price came into this breaker block. So we could start selling from this point and target the new low. So let me take this out. So the moment we got this low broken, we had our next break of structure to the downside. And now people keep saying buy gold, buy silver, buy gold, buy silver. Why? This is the reason why people were saying buy gold, buy silver, not because of the war. I don't see the war. The war has a great effect on these pairs, gold and silver. Well, we need to look at the chart, see the technical analysis about how these things work. So as you can see right here, price came down, gave us a break of structure to the downside. What happened is price went up and gave us a change of character to the upside. Now, a change of character simply means the overall directional bias of the market has changed from a bearish movement to a bullish movement. So, as you can see, price started giving us downwards movement, went up, came down again, broke structure, gave us a break of structure to the downside. Price went up all the way down here, all the way up here, right? Gave us a change of character to the upside. So as price has given us a change of character to the upside. So what are we expecting price to do? We're expecting price to pull back. You understand? Now most people would say, why didn't I use the breaker block right here? You can see this after the break here, after this candle close, you can see this particular candle coming down here. So this becomes an inducement that has induced the breaker block. So this breaker block becomes invalid. So price came down. So we were looking for an order block or a fair value gap, any of which we would actually use for to enter or to take a trade or look for our point of interest. Yeah, point of interest. So as you see right here, we have this breaker structure. We have this breaker structure right here. Please just stay with me. We have this other one right here. We have this other block right there. So we had these three other blocks. This other block, this other block, and this other block. So now the question is, what other block are we going to choose from? Which other block is the right order block to start buying gold or start buying silver rather. So after we had this change of character to the upside, I keep hearing people say buy silver, buy gold, buy gold. Price came down to this other block as you can see right here. After price came down to this other block, price gave a reaction, gave an up movement. Price gave an up movement a little bit. Yeah, after price came to this price gave this movement all the way up to this point, and what price came down. You understand? The price came down. So now, how we going to know which particular order block is to choose is from the 15 minutes time frame. A lot of you don't understand top-down analysis. You don't do this is smart money concept for just for you to know the strategy. This is smart money concept. A lot of you don't know top-down analysis. So top-down analysis actually helps you to understand where the particular valid order block we are to pick from. So price didn't give us a change of character in the 15 minutes time frame, making this order block invalid. So this one gone out. So price came down to this order block right here. And as you can see, price actually tagged in this order block and is going up now. So now last week a lot of people were buying gold and I sold good. I was selling. Now, the reason why I was selling was because of the confirmations that I had. I'll show you some of the previous setup previous trade I took last week. I'll show you the before and the after. You'll find it around somewhere around this the corner, the right or the left side of this video. So without saying much, let me move down to the 15 minutes so you all can see. So this is my 4 hours order block right here. Let me just put it 4 hours OB. So this is my 4 hours order block right here. And this is like 4 hours OB right here, 4 hours order block, and this is the last order block right here. So what we are looking for, we're looking for a 15 minutes change of character. We are looking for a 15 minutes change of character after price tagged into this 4 hours order block. That is an indication that price wants to start going up, not just buy silver or buy gold. So if we move down to the 15 minutes time frame right here, if we move down to the 15 minutes time frame right here now, 15 minutes time frame, what are we seeing? What are we seeing? So this is the last change of character. This is the last break of structure to the downside that tagged into my 4 hours order block. So this is my last 15 minutes break of structure. Now, I don't have any other business with the whole of this pair, the whole of this price action here, the whole of this lower low, higher highs. I don't have any other any business with I don't have any business with this movement right here. All of this movement I have no businesses to do with them. Now, what I am actually looking for, I'm actually looking for a change of character. I'm actually looking for price to go up and break this high, this last high. This is what I'm looking for. So the moment I see price breaking this high is an indication that silver wants to start going up. You understand? And I won't just go and buy silver because I am seeing this a change of character to the upside. It is just an indication that price wants to start going up. So what I'm saying basically is that I don't have time or business with any of this price action. What just I'm looking for just my 15-minute swing low and my 15-minute swing high. Now these are the two places price action inside of this box. Let me put it this way. From here all the way here. Let me see. Right. Like this. Now, this is this is this is the only place I have interest in. Just price action inside of this box right here. So as you can see from what I said earlier, people were buying silver, buying gold. I was selling. Now this is the reason why I sold. As you can see, this is the last, as I said earlier, this is the last break of structure to the downside in the 15 minutes. Let me include it, 15 minutes break of structure to the downside. Alright, this is the last break of structure to the downside right here. So the moment we got this break of structure, we waited for price to come up. You understand? So pull back. Now you see, most people take this as an inducement. Yeah, pretty fine. Inducement and the breaker block price moves down. Yeah, but it didn't break. This tells you that price wants to actually start going up. So as you can see, we had this point of interest right here, PUI. We had this point of interest at this point. Let me take this blue box out. So we had this point of interest, this point of interest right here. So the moment price came to my point of interest, which is this particular place right here, now I had to go to the 1 minute time frame to look for a change of character, telling me that price originally is going to respect this point of interest. Our price is going to respect this point of interest, and as you can see, I got my change of character in the 1 minute here, which is my euro, yeah, in the 1 minute. Yes, I got my change of character here to in the 1 minute right here. Then, as you can see, this is my new point of interest at this point. Start selling here, put my stop loss up here, and probably targeting this level, targeting this level right here. And as you can see, price came down, boom, price came down, and this happened. But why I didn't actually put this before, you didn't see this one, but you saw this one because I didn't take this trade. I wasn't available at the time when this played out. So this one, 1 to 7 is to the road, played at 5. So the moment this happened, what else happened? Price pulled back again, came into this other block right here that I tagged this spot out. As you can see here, I got my change of character again in this place. 1 minute change of character at this point after price tagged into this other block. The last break of structure to the upside in the 1 minute time frame. I had my change of character to the downside. Our price came down, price went up, tagged into the other block right here, and you can see price came down all the way 1 to 14 weeks. Now, originally, I would be targeting the 15 minute swing low all the way down here. But I already have this idea, this knowledge that price is not going to come down here. Price is not going to respect this swing low. Price is not going to respect the other block fully. And price is going to go up because we had our 4 hours break of structure, or 4 hours change of character rather. We had this change of character in the 4 hours. You understand? Indicating that price wants to start going up in the 4 hours time frame. In the overall time frame, our directional bias is telling us price wants to start going up, market wants to start going up. So we're not going to be looking for sales in when directional bias is telling us to buy. You understand? But we already got this two sell position right here because we actually followed our rules and top down analysis. We got the first one here. If we had entered, we got the first one here. And this is the second one right here, which actually played pretty well. Actually played pretty well for 1 to 14, which actually played out pretty well. So what I'm expecting price now to do this coming week, I'm expecting price to break this high. You feel me? I'm expecting price to break this high. So the moment price breaks this high, that's an indication that silver wants to start going up. So the moment I see price do something like this, break take out this high, gives me a change of character to the upside in the 15 minutes time frame. Then I'll start looking for other blocks. As you can see, price is already leaving other blocks. This is one other block right here. We have another other block right here in the downside that has liquidity below it, above it rather, that has liquidity above it. So we start waiting for price to come down into one of these places, either here or here. We'll go down to the 1 minute time frame, then we'll start buying, breaking structure, coming down, buying. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm expecting price to do this coming week. So you have to stay as alert, always watch the chart, always understand the chart. Because this is exactly how you make money in the market, and you have to be patient. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm looking for, what I'm thinking of to trade this coming week. So if you like this video or you want to see more stuff like this, please like and share. Drop a comment what you think would happen in the market. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, or if you see this video on TikTok, please like, share, and follow this account. So this is all for today. I'm gonna do the update on this video to see how price later played out. So if I want to go to gold, let's go to gold and see what's happening in gold. Alright, let's see exactly what is happening in gold for you. You see, like I said, people were saying buy silver, buy gold, but I wasn't buying, I was selling. You understand? So I caught this one, then this one also. I think if you check my TikTok page, the last, I think one of the last setup I posted, I actually posted this setup earlier before it happened. I don't know if people took it serious, but a short play that short play that short play that pretty good. Short play that pretty good. So let's say 1 to 10 weeks to roll. The short get 1 to 10 weeks to roll. So we're also targeting here, like I said, price wants to start going up. If you check the 4 hours time frame, and you'll find out that we are in an order block around this level. You understand? This is a change of character to the downside. Price want to start keep going down. So we're expecting price to keep going down. But if we see what is it called a change of character to the upside in the 15 minutes time frame, we start looking for buys. Start looking for buys. Remember, this is gold and silver. Um, they are more likely to buy than sell. You understand? So this is my 15 minutes swing high. Just went right here. 15 minutes swing high. So the moment I see price breaking this level, I'll start looking for my buy. So this is all for this video. If you like this video, please comment, share, follow this page. Please share so a lot of